Do you want YouTube to actually promote your videos in 2026? Then you need to understand the algorithm, not guess it. At MendItTech, we break it down simply, step by step. Welcome back to MendItTech, your trusted guide for ethical YouTube growth and online skills. In this video, part 2 of our YouTube Mastery 2026 course, we're going deep into how the YouTube algorithm works this year. By the end, you'll know exactly what matters most and what to focus on to grow organically and safely. 1. CTR, click-through rate. Your thumbnail and title decide the first impression. High CTR means YouTube will show your video to more people. MendItTech tip, focus on curiosity plus clarity in your thumbnails. 2. Watch time and audience retention. YouTube rewards videos, people watch longer. Every second counts. MendItTech tip, keep hook in first 10 seconds, avoid long intros. 3. Session time or viewer satisfaction. YouTube measures if your video keeps people on the platform. Longer total session equals more promotion. MendItTech tip, use end screens and internal links to keep viewers engaged. 4. Engagement signals. Likes, comments, shares, saves. They tell YouTube people value your content. MendItTech tip, ask simple, actionable questions in your video, without spamming. 5. Content relevance. Keywords in title, description, tags, and script matter. MendItTech tip, research your niche using YouTube search, trends, and competitor analysis. Common mistakes creators make, obsessing over views only, using clickbait that disappoints viewers, posting inconsistent content, ignoring analytics. At MendItTech, we teach algorithm smart growth, not tricks. Create short and long videos strategically, mix regular plus shorts, optimize thumbnails, titles, and descriptions for CTR, focus on first 30 seconds retention, link to other videos to increase session watch time, post consistently 2 to 3 videos per week is ideal. If you're serious about real YouTube growth in 2026, subscribe to MendItTech now and turn on notifications. Next in our MendItTech YouTube Mastery series, we'll cover choosing the right niche that actually works in 2026. Follow along step by step, because each video builds on the previous one. This is MendItTech, we teach YouTube growth the smart and ethical way.